High Court has ordered the Kenya National Union of Teachers, that is not to hold its strike, and asked teachers to go back to class tomorrow. The court has at the same time barred the Teachers Service Commission, that is TSC, from effecting the transfer of 3,094 teachers it said it had completed. Justice Byram Ongaya gave the order as he directed parties in the dispute to proceed with conciliatory talks. Our reporter Caroline B. opens up our coverage tonight with that report.
Behalf is hereby restrained from implementing such strike notice or strike, and the strike as scheduled effective 2nd January 2019 or any date thereafter, as the case may be in that regard, is stayed, and the teachers affected by the notice shall continue on duty uninterrupted accordingly. That pending the hearing and determination of the petition or further orders by the court, the applicant and the respondent to attend the conciliation proceedings before the conciliation committee 9 o'clock in the forenoon at the Ministry of Labour and Social Protection, Nairobi. And for that purpose, the applicant's chairperson and secretary and the respondent's secretary general and chairperson to lead their teams respectively.